Hello friends, next question about upgrade. Okay, so basically the older version deprecated, now everyone try to upgrade their server from 12 to 8 to 12, 12 to 14 or so on. Okay, so what will the approach upgrading 2008 to 2019 basically. So just start window upgrade from newer window 22 image on SQL Server 2019. Okay, then took a backup databases from this machine and consider upgrade computer level as well as other database scope settings. Successful migration and upgrade means the address all the issues discovered in the pre-migration stage. Preview the computer level and data migration tool assistance, you can use that. The data migration assistance. Preserve backup log maintenance plan other automatic tasks including jobs creating backup and system of msdb. So you have to just store basically, we can just do a not a parallel in place upgrade, we need to do parallel upgrade basically. Okay, so this approach is only for parallel upgrade, not for in place upgrade. So thank you for watching.